Hello, welcome to Crochet Smash. Today we are going to make an easy project. I made this neck warmer using an easy stitch pattern. Now we can make a dishcloth using the same pattern. So let us begin. Start with a slip knot on your hook. Then chain a multiple of 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. This is just to show how it works out. Maybe a few more. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Guess that will be enough. Now on the fourth chain from hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, we are going to make a double crochet. Then we are going to skip the next 2 stitches. Then we are going to make a single crochet. Single crochet is insert your hook inside the chain, then pull up a loop, yarn over the hook, then pull up through both loops on the hook. Yeah, one single crochet. Then we are going to make a double crochet. Yarn over hook, insert the hook, pull up a loop, yarn over hook, pull through 2 loops, yarn over hook, pull through the next 2 loops. Then do one more double crochet. Then we are going to skip next 2 stitches. Then again we are going to make a single crochet, then a double crochet, 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Again we are going to skip 2, 1, 2, and we are going to make the same combination, 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet. Again skip 2, and we can see there is only 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we can do it here. This is a single crochet, then 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Then we are going to make 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitches in the end. Looks like this. Little bit of scallop, and we are going to make chain 2. This is the turning chain, which is a stitch, and we are going to make a double crochet on top of the next stitch. Double crochet, it's on top of the double crochet. Then we are going to skip the next 2 stitches, and on top of the single crochet we are going to make 1 single crochet and 2 double crochet. Then skip to next single crochet, double crochet and double crochet. Then single crochet, double crochet and double crochet, and single crochet, double crochet and double crochet. Then the next 2 double crochets we are going to make 1 double crochet each. Then and the first turning chain we make one more double crochet. Okay, chain 2, one double crochet in the next one, and we are going to repeat this pattern. So single crochet, double crochet, double crochet. This is an easy stitch pattern which we can make like a scarf or a dishcloth or a cowl, anything you want. Just repeat this stitch pattern. There is only one row repeat. So let us make up to the length, up to the size I want, then we will meet again. Now we are almost done with this one. I'm just making only a small one. It's almost a square. So I'm going to make a border for this one. Just making a double crochet on top of every stitch I made. This one is chain 2 and that is one double crochet to begin, then 1, 2 on top of every stitch. I think it looks like that was a mistake. This is the size I want. Now I'm going to chain 2 and I'm going to make double crochet in each of the stitches. This one is the first double crochet, then second, this is the 2 double crochets, double crochet on top of that single crochet we made. And we are on the edge here. Then I am not going to do the stitch over here. I'm going to do the stitch like on the chains. Then each double crochet we can make. We are not going to do it like this. We are going to insert it between the thread. And anywhere possible to put a double crochet there to make it look even. We just wanted to create a border for our dishcloth. So you can improvise. one stitch here. This corner we can make 2 to give that rounded corner. This was the beginning of the foundation chains. Okay, don't get it stretched too much. We can make it just like this. Basically, we are making a double crochet border by placing a double crochet in every chain in the foundation in this side. This is where we begin with by chaining to start our project. It looks good. And the first chain here, I'm gonna make 2 double crochet, yarn over, like that, 2 double crochets. This is a small one. This can be used as a face scrubby. Like you can use it to remove the makeup or just to wash your face. The colors are pretty. And a little bit of texture to be nice. We need to make one more here to reach to the corner, the first one, and slip stitch. Yeah. I cut the yarn and Tighten it. Even without blocking, it is looking pretty good. Since this is cotton, I will do wet blocking technique. Like I will soak this one in water, then squeeze out the water and stretch it out with the pins to dry it, so that way it will look prettier. So we have made two projects using the same pattern. One is this neck warmer, and I added some buttons. You can do it like this, or you can add the another layer of button inside. So if you wanted to make it tighter, you can do that. It's very short and comfy. Can be used as a short cowl if we are putting these buttons around it like next to each other or a little off like this one. You don't have to put like that. You can put it like next to each other, so it will look like you have buttons next to each other. Like that. Pretty cool, huh? If you like my projects, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Please share it with somebody who like to do crochet, and let me know in the comments how you like it or what you don't like it. Please tell me in the comments. um, I will come up with another pattern in the next video. Till then, bye bye.